So this is the update. I think I showed before that I had the engine supported. That went well. Remove the alternator. It's the best way to support the engine, because we removed the K member to have Shorty ceramic coated 2-length headers installed. That's the part number there, 16150, I guess. And this is my 2002 Mustang GT convertible. So I had the headers installed today. We put them in, and since everyone's complaining that the passenger side is terrible, you can't do it, there's no room, it's impossible. Well, it's very possible, and it's relatively easy. So let's get the obvious things out of the way. You know, dropped the K member, you know, remove your old exhaust manifold, remove the studs. Have to remove all the studs, clean off your surface, and start. So I'm gonna show you first this. For everyone who wants to take a snapshot of that, I'll keep it up on the screen here as long as I can. But that's the sequence. We'll go through it quickly. So there they are, and they went in relatively easy. So if you follow these steps, I did as best a job as I can, starting with the first original exhaust manifold stud, and you keep going, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. You'll get them in. It's very, very easy. It's tight, the room. It's tight, but it's possible, very possible. Yes, you have to remove your engine mount. Yes, you'll have to remove the starter. That's simple. It's 3 bolts here, another 3, 4 if you count this one's double, but those come out. It's very simple. The only suggestion I have is when you're doing this one here and that one there, when you thread the nut on this one and this one, thread it halfway at least, because you're gonna have to get the flange to go underneath it, underneath the nut and the block, right? It just slips in. There's BBK's put where is it there? See that cutout right there? So that nut there, that flange, it's got to go underneath it and up, right? That's it. Those are the first ones you start off with. Not that one. This one here, and the one going towards the front, that way. So that one, and the next one going towards the front. I think I did it right there. So that one and that one. The middle. Two. That's it. So it is very possible. The only thing that another here I put a special note that you can only tighten that one, okay, from inside underneath your cold air intake inside there. You can't see it now. Should have took the video, but you could right from underneath. That's the cold air intake tube. Once you take that out with a ratcheting open end wrench, you can grab it and flick it down, pull it back out, and keep going. It's like not even a quarter of a turn, but it's possible. Very easy. You can access it right from inside there. But yeah, that's it. I thought it was going to be a lot worse. First thing, you can't find anything online. There's maybe one video that he just barely touches on the driver's side, the passenger side, sorry. It just says, they say it's terrible, it's the worst job in the world. I'm not gonna lie, there's no room, it's challenging. I pretty much did it in a couple of hours. I mean, I spent a few days just going through the different scenarios and coming back in the garage, you know, fooling around with a little here and there. But once I had the sequence down, it literally just went in no time. But that's it. Hope this helps anyone who wants to put in Shorty headers in their new Edge. We'll save another video for the driver's side, which isn't that difficult. It's challenging. It's got its own challenges, but here I managed to use all the original exhaust manifold studs. The only suggestion I have is the motor mount. If you install the header and you forget to put your motor mount in, you will not get to that bolt. It hits one of the primary tubes. Then you have to remove the whole manifold, loosen it completely just to get it out. So believe it or not, this driver's side gave me more grief than the passenger side, believe it or not. But I'll try to explain in another video. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and good luck.